Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle, the third and last puzzle in additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 6th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Wednesday, March the 29th, 2023. Because in today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So, I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the edition of Wednesday, March the 29th. And I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. So now it's time for the last puzzle. It's a tectonic. Tectonic. Let me position the camera. Yeah. Tectonic with a 1 star. And this will be number 6238. 38. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Printed digits should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And it's indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Then the following question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here one dual box, second dual box. The 1 is already filled in, so that box should be a 2 then. Here, the 1 and the 2, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. Do we have here triple boxes? Here we have a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers yet. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. But I see here we have a 5 here, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Oh, wait. More triple boxes. No, quadra boxes. I see here one quadra box contains the 1, the 2, and 3 and the 4. This box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. But when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this box, the inside box, is always a 5. Here, the 1 and the 4, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 4. Alright, then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. More of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. More? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only one L shape. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape, this shape, when you see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Well, this shape then. Same shape but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So it's a 1 or a 2. But it cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So it can be choose. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be also 1. One box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. We have more shapes that you need to recognize. No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Only 3 of them. Maximum 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. Shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. But those shapes that you need to recognize, yeah. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes, yeah. Well, we have here 3 of them, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have 3 of them. Well, then, the following step, then it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. Then. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because if I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes because we have a double 2 there, double 2. So the 2 should be here and the 4 goes here. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, alright. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright. 3 and 2. Okay. Then. Well. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. No, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated 1. So the 1 goes here. Alright. This box can be 1. This box can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this triple box. For number 2, this box is connected with that box, which is a 1 or a 3, but it can't be a 1 anymore. We have a 1 here. So this box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. And this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 1 number left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 3 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. Alright. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. For numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright. This box can be a 2. So the 2 and that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, no, yeah, 3 stars and 4 star Sudokus. And I have also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the letter Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, the samurai Sudoku, yeah, a.k.a. quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. Tomorrow, it will be Friday, the first Friday of the month. I will do a speed test with the heavy and the light Sudoku. So prepare for those two Sudokus. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.